I've been out looking at the gardens, and I was wondering, because I ran across this, what do you do with a Frisbee from Sharkey's beachfront restaurant? Let me show you. Hang on, let me get this water on. Alright, got the water on. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out this. Don't splash back on my feet. Figured I'd go ahead and wash those out while I'm at it. Wash that off. Turn it over. And wash it off. Alright, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. It's pouring too much. There we go. Alright, that's better. Alright, let me show you what I do with that Sharkey's Frisbee. I got these tomatoes here. These are the ones I need to rinse off and take in the house. All of them? Yeah, it's all of them. Put this in the trash, because I've been dealing with a bunch of tomatoes today. Get my hands washed off. There we go. These things were mixed in with a bunch of other ones that were kind of yacked out. And I just think they need to be. Well, that one might be kind of bad right there. Yeah, that one's going bad. And that one too. You can fill them. Sometimes they fill good and sometimes they fill bad. So I got two of them. This one and that one. These two are bad already. By the time we get around to eating these, they'll definitely be bad. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna let those rinse a little bit. And I'm gonna set these two right up here next to the coffee filters I've been saving. And the tea bags too. Which reminds me, I need to put those coffee filters and the coffee grounds up. Alright. Rinse these things off. But anyway, that's what the Sharkey's Frisbee is good for, in my opinion. There ain't nobody else around here play Frisbee. Alright, let me turn that water off. Turn the water off. There we go. And I'm going to let these just kind of sit. And just going to let them sit up here for now. And I'm going to go in the house. And I'm going to wash my hands. Whew. And I'm not going to eat no tomatoes. I'm kind of burned out on tomatoes right now.